Good morning, my dear students of class 9. In our last class, we had seen about Mendeleev periodic table and its properties, what are its defects, what are its merits, and what are its demerits. Today, we will see modern periodic table. As we had discussed that Mendeleev periodic table was based on atomic mass. When the atomic masses are arranged in increasing order of their atomic masses, after a certain regular interval of time, the elements come which have the similar physical and chemical properties. But due to the invention of the isotopes and some other small demerits, Mendeleev periodic table was discarded. Then Henry Moseley told that why we should not take the atomic number which never changes. So modern periodic table is based on atomic number. So when elements are arranged according to their atomic number, increasing atomic number, those having an equal number of valence electrons, they occur in regular interval of time. We will see how they occurs at regular interval of time. And since the number of valence electron of elements, so periodicity, I had told you periodicity is what? Repetition of similar physical and chemical properties. So they show the periodicity means they show the similar chemical properties. So consider a group of period. This is for example. You consider a group of periodic table. For example, first group. If we take the first group, if you can open your book, first group, this one is your first group. This is first group. First member is hydrogen. It has configuration 1, lithium 2 1, then sodium 281, potassium 2881. Likewise, all the elements of this group, they have the same atomic number. If we are taking group number 1, all the elements will have one valence electron. They will have the similar electronic configuration, same valency. So group A of the periodic table, for example, first group of elements, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, they have this atomic number. These are the properties of group 1. All the elements of group 1 are good agents. They are good reducing agent. We know what is reducing agent, the elements which can donate electron, and only the metals donate electron. They are called good reducing agent. They form unipositive. Unipositive means they lose one electron, like lithium lose one electron and it forms lithium charge. Sodium lose one electron, it becomes sodium unipositive charge. So they all form unipositive charge. They all are very reactive. Since they are very reactive, so they are not found in the nature in free state. They show some specific colors. Some shows lilac color, some shows golden color when they are burned. So they show different colors. they form hydride when they react with, suppose they react with sodium. When reacts with hydrogen, it forms sodium hydride. They form sodium hydride. लेकिन this one, it is unstable. It is not stable. It is not stable. This lithium hydride or sodium hydride, they are they exist for a very short time. They form basic oxides with oxygen. They combine with oxygen, they form sodium oxide, they form potassium oxide. But when this sodium oxide or potassium oxide, they are dissolved in water, they form alkalis, they form base. Therefore they are called that all the elements of group 1A are basic oxide, or they form basic oxides. Then they react with water to form hydroxides and hydrogen. They all, whether it is lithium, sodium or potassium, they react with water, they form hydroxide, lithium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide plus hydrogen. They form alkali plus hydrogen. Then all these elements have one electron, valence electron. All these elements, they have one valence electron. You can see this one on page number, this is your page number 90. Here at 90 you will see the electronic configuration of lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. You can see. So they have the similar electronic configuration, they have the similar property. This thing we will see, this similar property, similar electronic configuration, this will be cause of periodicity. So what is the cause of periodicity? What is the cause of repetition of the similar property? So similar electronic configuration is the cause of periodicity. Similar electronic configuration is the cause of periodicity. Then it is noticed that elements with similar electronic configuration have similar property. Thus the is of period. This is the cause of periodicity. I told you what is periodicity? Repetition of similar chemical properties. And what is the cause of periodicity? Similar electronic configuration is the cause of periodicity. So thus the cause of periodicity is the same number of electrons to the outermost cell, means same number of valence electron in the outermost cell. That is recurrence of similar electronic configuration. Here is properties that appear at regular interval or which there is gradual variation, increase or decrease in regular interval of time, or in regular interval of time, they are called periodic properties, and phenomenon is called periodicity. What is the cause of periodicity? Once again, it is here. Cause of periodicity is recurrence, means repetition of similar electronic configuration in any particular group, whether it is group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. In any particular group, the number of electron in the outermost cell remain same. We had seen, for example, in the group 1 all the elements they have one valence electron. अभी तक इसमें तो कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए कि किसी भी ग्रुप में किसी भी एलिमेंट का वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन सेम रहता है. So elements of the same and valency also remains the same. किसी भी ग्रुप में बाबू याद रखेगा कि किसी भी ग्रुप में वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन भी सेम, वैलेंसी भी सेम और उसका प्रॉपर्टीज भी सेम होता है. द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ एनी ग्रुप विल हैव द सिमिलर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन, सेम वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन, सेम प्रॉपर्टीज. So elements of the same group have similar properties though the number of cell increase down the group. हम लोग देखेंगे as we move downward the number of cell increases by 1 and when we move left to right को हम लोग कहेंगे across. We will use the word across. Left to right means across. The number of cell will remain same. These are the properties of a periodic table कि लेफ्ट टू राइट में कैसे सेम रहता है और टॉप टू बॉटम जब आते हैं तो कैसे एक एक बढ़ता है. वी विल सी. सो द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेम ग्रुप हैव सिमिलर प्रॉपर्टीज दो द नंबर ऑफ सेल इंक्रीजेस. दिस आर द फीचर्स. These are the features how Mendeleev's periodic table according to recommendation of IUPAC. ठीक है. So this group are numbers 1A 1A 2A, then 1B 2B 3A 3B 4A 4B 5A 5B 6A 6B 6 7A 7B and group 8. They are given different numbers. Different numbers means in the sense of Mendeleev had given 1A 2A. Modern periodic table has given 1 2. Then if you can see here 1B 2B, it is 11 12. Then it is 2A 3B 4B 5B. Here are 3A 4A 5A. So if you can see, this is the modern periodic table is based on Mendeleev periodic table. In fact, those elements which were not discovered plus rare gases which were not discovered during the Mendeleev periodic table. While he was preparing, Mendeleev was preparing. By that time, some elements and rare gases, inert gases, they were not invented. Otherwise, everything is same like Mendeleev periodic table. So these are the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18 are called the groups of modern periodic table. What are the features? If you see, group 1 has elements. Group 1, I am not telling group, I am not telling period. Group 1 has hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. And this is your period. This has in first period hydrogen and helium. In second period lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and so on. Oxygen, fluorine and neon. So in the first group, in the first period there will be only 1 and 1 2 elements. In the second period there will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 elements. In the third period it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 periods, 8 elements. So this period 1 period type of period, first period, it is the shortest period because it has only 2 elements. Then it is short period. These things should not be kept in heart, but we should know these things. About these things we will discuss in the next period. So it is for today. Wish you all the best.